Hi friends, today we are going to see the registers which are available in labor ward. Whatever the services are given, that is documented as a register. Let us come to the topic. Now we are going to see one by one name of the registers. Family Planning Ward Indent Book. Blood transfusion register. Safe delivery and surgical kit issue register. Buffer stock register. Corticosteroid register. Medicine chart. Daily ANC report. Handing over, taking over register. Family Planning Ward Nominal Register. Patient Daily Handing Over Book. Labor Ward Nurses Report Book. ANC OP Referral Register. Labor Ward Handed Over and Taken Over Book. Gynec Ward Nurses Report Book. Labor Ward Nominal Register. Indent Book. Floor and Sinks Cleaning Register. Tubectomy Case List Record. Antenatal OP Referral Out Follow Up Register. IP Referral Out and Follow Up Register. IV Fluids Maintenance Register. Tablets Maintenance Register. Emergency Drug Register. Surgical Maintenance Register. Injection Maintenance Register. Injection Iron Sucrose Register. Breakdown Register. Llama Register. APH Register. Sepsis Register. Referral In Register. Lab Register. Body Fluid Blood Spill Management Register. Newborn Congenital Anomalies Register. Birth Companion Register. Low birth weight register. Miscellaneous maintenance register. Postnatal referral out register. Stillbirth register. Registers dispatching register. Injection anti-D register. Breastfeeding initiation register. Birth certificate dispatching register. Dobie register, fumigation register, CTG register, retained placenta management register, PPH management register, antenatal high risk register, 102 register, IUD register, PIH eclampsia management register, preterm register, referral management book, Aarogyasri register, labor ward diet book. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, share, subscribe and comments.